Hey everyone, it's Jessie. So I thought I would make a video to show you some of my progress on some of my crocheted projects. I did not get as far as I was hoping. I spent, quite a bit of time working on these washcloths for the American Starfish. I will link that video if you want to check that out. I just filmed that one and had some health issues this week and was not feeling well whatsoever, but I'm doing a little bit better now, and I almost didn't think I'd be able to get videos up, but thankfully I felt decent enough tonight to do that, so here we are. So let's start with the shawl. Truthfully guys, I did not get anywhere. I think I did one stitch and that's it, because I just wasn't feeling the best when I started trying to put some work into it. For those of you that did not see it in my last video, this is what it looks like. So far, anyway. I really love it. I didn't like it at first when I first started crocheting it, but I'm really loving it now. I just, I'm hoping to have more time this coming week to put some more work into it. As far as the sweater goes, it's gonna look like I didn't get anywhere. I'm not gonna try it on for you today, and if you do want to see it tried on up to this point, I can link that video so you can check it out. But here it is. So what happened? Well, I had actually crocheted one of the sleeves till probably about down to here, and I just realized it still was looking too big. And again, I know this sweater's supposed to be oversized, but I just felt for me it's a little bit too oversized. And if it's way too oversized, I know I would not wear it at all. So I got down to that point and I frogged it. For those who are new to crochet on my channel, if you have not heard of frogging, it means to rip it out. So you take it all out. So I took most of the sleeve out. I went up to the point where I had to join and crocheted a handful of rows again, and I tried to insert 2 decrease rows in there, and it still seemed too big, mostly at the armpit area. So I undid it again, and this time, so far, I started way at the armpit area, and instead of doing one decrease like Michelle at MJ's Off the Hook Designs suggests in her video, I'm going to link that below too if you're interested in this sweater. I decided to do 2 decreases in the first 2 rows when you join. And I'm not quite sure. I think that's going to help hopefully not be so bulky at the armpit area. What I wish I would have done is tried it on more when I was making the yoke part of the sweater before crocheting the body, and just kind of tried it on and tried to see where I should start crocheting the body, if that makes any sense. But at this point, I'm not going to undo the whole body to do that. So I am just going to play around with one of the sleeves and hopefully get it how I like it. And then after that, I'll do the other sleeve the same way. It might take me a bit to figure out how I want it, but I will get there. I can't get over the colors at all. Just gorgeous. I ordered some more Prism yarn, but not in the landscape color this time. It is, I forget the color, but that should be coming in soon. So when it does, I will share that yarn with you guys. And it is a beautiful color, because I'm going to make another sweater. Imagine that, more sweaters. So I have not decided. I haven't started. I mentioned maybe I would make a sweater in this color. I have not done it yet. I'm not sure when or if I'm going to do that. So I'm still debating on that. And I did purchase some yarn over at Hobby Lobby too. Some really pretty blue yarn that I'm thinking of making into a sweater. I mean, I really think I'm on this sweater craze right now. I'm obsessed with sweaters. and I might want to make some cardigans. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. I'm taking it one day at a time. But I had, in my stash, I've had this yarn, this Yarn Bee 44th Street Ruby yarn. I bought this probably about 3 or 4 years ago. I was going to make a cardigan with it, and then I realized it just wasn't going to work. I don't remember if I didn't have enough yarn or it wasn't the right size weight, or something like that. But this yarn, I don't think Hobby Lobby has this yarn anymore. I think it's discontinued. I could be wrong, but I think it is. But it is so soft. It is like, and it has like a little bit of a halo. Very soft. So I have 5 of these cakes, and I realized, hey, that's enough to make another one of MJ's Off the Hook Designs sweaters. So she has a sweater called Plush and Blush. I'll link that one below too. And I decided to use this yarn for it, and I am loving it so much. She uses the herringbone stitch, and it's gorgeous. So I'm working on the first panel. Actually, I think it's worked all in one piece. Here it is. So I have the ribbing done. Well, not fully done. So you start here, and I think you keep crocheting it up, and you crochet it out further for the arms, and then you keep going, and then you continue on to the back side of the sweater. It's kind of hard to explain, but I'm really loving it. I love that. I just love the ribbing, and I love the stitch. You see how it has kind of like these lines that go through the sweater? It's so cool. So anyway, I really love it. I thought this is kind of, the color is called Ruby. It looks like a real pretty burgundy color, which I absolutely love. And I think this would really make a beautiful Christmas sweater. So I'm hoping I can finish it and have it completed by then. That is all for my projects for the week. And hopefully I will be able to get a lot more done this next week. I hope you're all doing well, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys.